Let's be honest guys, crypto trading is actually very complex. Charts, indicators, emotions, non-stop market moves, and most people don't even have the time or experience or even the discipline to trade. And guess what? That usually ends not very well. TradePro lets you invest in crypto alongside professional traders without needing any trading experience. Also gives you full transparency so you can see how each vault was performed over time before you invest. Every trader is vetted and every vault operates under a strict smart contract rules, so strategies stay disciplined and funds stay protected. So you basically stay in control and you can add your investments or withdrawal anytime based on the contract terms. And that means that your trades are shared very fairly. This is Taco guys, let's just dive into the video. Alright guys, we've headed into their website and you can see clearly TradePro Smart Money starts here. So the first thing what I want to show you guys is how it actually works. So on one we have expert managed vaults, and then it gets your verified professional trader operates on chain vaults within the rules of course, until you deposit via the smart contracts, and through execution is controlled by code. And for the automated distribution and of course a simple model, so it's not actually that complex. So I'm going to show you guys the MVP. So this is based on a testnet coin token. So let me show you. So with TradePro you choose a vault that shows you how it's performed in the past. Each vault it runs by a professional trader, and these are approved by Traders Pro team. Of course, the trader follows strict smart contracts and they can trade approved assets with their own strategies. You can earn like profits, and based on how much you put into the vault, you can add more and withdraw anytime. So we have here Mike's vault. He does a like 10 USD per month for an APY of 50%. We have James also with 70, and we have also of course John with 120. So I'm gonna show you guys like how to join a vault and how you let it trade for you. Of course this is a testnet, so it's not real money. I'm just going to show you guys. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to join and how you let the traders trade for you. So I'm gonna choose for John of course, and we're gonna click on add deposit. Put the amount of what you want and we send it of course, and it wants to confirm the MetaMask, and now we await and we confirm. So what will happen is, let's check it out. We deposit to John and our current income is right now 88 USDT, and we gonna wait right now for John, and he is going to trade for us without even doing stress or something else. As you all can see guys, John is trading right now. He got to the 58, but you just have to wait for him to trade actually, and you can get any of them and it gives you actually maybe profit. I haven't tested for a long time right now, but we can check it out. Just wait for it and you will get some back. And I'm going to show you guys how to withdraw. Of course, you just click on withdraw if you want to get it out. Just the amount you put or something, it doesn't matter. You just send it and you are awaiting for users confirmation. You click on confirm and then you get your money back, and then it comes back on your MetaMask. Also something I have to mention is of course they also have the Pro token utility. This isn't just a token for speculation, it has real utility. So the token is used for pay or access to the vaults of course, and it's directly like integrated into the core functionality of the TradePro platform. So that means the platform runs actually on this token and not around it. As usage grows of course, demand for the token grows also, because it's required to participate. So simple, functional, built for a long-term use, and access for the premium vaults, staking and revenue sharing also. So you can stake Pro to earn a share of the platform's revenue, and they have their buyback burn. A portion of platform fees is used to buy back and burn Pro tokens. So their mission right now, they have a mission to make professional crypto trading accessible for everybody and even without trading experience. So someone maybe like you or me, you don't know. And guys, security is at top priority at TradePro. The project has been reviewed and audited by Contract Wolf, a independent smart contract audited firm, of course. And check it out, also Contract Wolf is audited, so nothing is hidden. Actually everything is verifiable. So when you click on this, you can see it's actually legit. So the contract security on 93, the risk assessment also on 1, so low risks, and the critical, major, medium, minor, all is resolved. So you can see the token of Pro, the total supply, and also the total holders right now, create your holding, and the liquidity pool is alright, not for now. And January, they will have their own pre-sale, of course, also soon. I will also talk about that later. Also, let's not forget about their pitch desk. This is actually something like a white paper. It just shows you their whole vision, their roadmap, their tokenomics, how it works, all their vaults, of course, and the total supply. So the average revenue, it shows you everything. So you have to know. So the community ratings, how to join, how to invest. One less important update, guys. The TradePro pre-sale is going to be on Gempad soon at the end of January and will be conducted on the BNB network. So all official details and access will be available through the landing page. So also stay tuned for that. And at last but not least, I'm gonna show you guys their own Twitter, of course, because they are very up to date with it. They show constantly news about what they're talking about. So as you can see, it's been Christmas, of course, but their latest updates and what the plans are also going to be on their X. So don't forget to follow them. Also link in the description, guys. So check that out. Alright, this was the video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, comment down below. And nothing is financial advice, educational purpose only, guys. Don't forget. I love you guys. See you guys next time. Ciao.